Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 945 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open up the menu on our watch. To do it, press and hold the up button and keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen. After the menu opens, use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu, select the system option and press the start button to enter. And here you should see the language option. Make sure it's selected, then press the start button to enter. This will open the list of languages and you can scroll through this list by using the up and down buttons, of course. Scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find the language, select it. And once you select the language, for example maybe Spanish, then press the start button to confirm and apply the language. And here we have it. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.